Hi, James. I'm coming. Good morning, James.
Guten Morgen.
Hey, James. Good morning, Gary. Good morning, Paul. Superhero Paul.
It's the pink superhero again. Right, I forgot about that.
That would be perfect with the Ronin S here.
Well,
Paul, the superhero.
it's Yellow Day.
It's Yellow Day. We're celebrating Yellow Day. Paul, what is that bike?
Which one?
Your bike.
Oh, it's my dad, my uncle's baby. He bought it new. Then he did nearly 65,000 Ks on it, and now he gave it to me. Awesome idea.
And it's gonna die. Try not to crash it.
Otherwise, I would have to leave the country or change names or
Change
everything.
name. Why do I have the most ugly bike?
Right, so we made it to Glemseck. There's some really cool projects here. It seems every biker within 100 Ks has come here, which is cool, you know, the motorbike culture.
Already having a beer?
Already having a beer, yeah.
Beer
It's
for breakfast?
hot and sunny, beer for breakfast.
Super hot.
I know, it's cool to have a celebration of motorcycle culture. You don't even need a custom bike, just have a bike or a love for bikes, and it's cool.
A crappy BMW.
A crappy BMW or a shitty
Or
Hornet.
shitty Hornet.
You can still come to Glemseck and have fun. Hopefully
Yeah.
at 1 o'clock, I think the Sultans of Sprint racing takes off, so that'll be cool to see some of that.
Yeah. Hope we get to film some.
But yeah, if you don't like noise, don't come here.
Don't come here. Don't bring your kids.
Yeah, don't bring your kids.
Paul, what do you think about Glemseck so far?
It's full.
Cool.
Full of morons. I shouldn't say that in a video, should I?
What got a turbocharger? Oh well.
60,000 euros.
Excuse me? Paul, are you sociable? Do you like people? Do
No.
you like being in an environment like
Is
this?
he wearing undies? Like only undies?
Hey bro, you forgot your pants! Did you see that guy wearing his underwear?
No.
He forgot his pants. Now I'm just gonna walk like this and vlog my life.
Someone hits the camera and looks.
It's actually... Hi! Hey James! I just found your track bike.
Slightly used.
For sale. Alright, Glemseck 101. What is the plan? Are we staying here? Are we moving?
I think maybe we go for a ride somewhere. Huh?
I think we're going for a ride.
We've seen most things. I'm sick of people.
It's too hot.
It's
It's too many
really
people.
hot.
It's too hot. There's too many people.
It's too hot. And
It is too hot. So I guess, yeah, we're gonna go for a trip, keep on riding a little bit, have some fun. Paul is about to go, so we might go at the same time and just have some fun riding around, enjoy the Black Forest a little bit, and then go home.
Yes! I'm Smombie, you know that.
Found the yellow bikes! Yellow!
I was like, I wonder where they are, and then it's just like, oh, there they are.